Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord not opening on your PC. So first of all, what you have to do is press the Windows key on your keyboard and type in run. Hit enter. You will see this box. Type in %app data %. Hit OK. You will see your file explorer. Now you have to find the folder of the Discord. For instance, I will go to the D section and here is my Discord folder. Now we have to delete 3 different folders from here. The first one is cache, code cache, and the third one is GPU cache. So I will select the first one and hit the delete key on my keyboard. Select the second one, hit the delete key, and I will select the third one and hit the delete key. Now close the file explorer and try to open Discord and check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is hit the Windows key again and type in Discord, right click on open file location, right click on show more options, go to properties, go to compatibility. Now here you have to select 2 options. First one is the disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Click on apply, click on OK. Now try running the Discord app again and check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is check if the firewall of the Windows is causing any problem to Discord applications or not. So what you have to do is press the Windows key on your keyboard and type in firewall. Select Windows Defender Firewall and make sure do not select Advanced Security, only select Windows Defender Firewall. Here select allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and then what you have to do is select allow another app. Now go to the browse section and go to the folder where you have installed Discord. But if you're not sure where you have installed Discord, then you can close this file manager, hit the Windows key, type in Discord, right click Discord, click on open file location, right click again and select open file location. Now this is where you have installed your Discord application. Simply select the top search bar, click Ctrl C to copy, or you can right click to copy the file location. Close the window. Now select browse, paste here, hit enter. Now select update.exe, select open and click on add. Now you have successfully added Discord into your Windows Defender firewall. Select OK and now try to open Discord once again to check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is uninstall the Discord application completely from your PC and reinstall it from the official website of Discord, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's simply how you can fix Discord not opening on PC. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.